Hello students, we are going to start a new module 4, Organic and Non-Organic Worlds. I'm Isai Yerim. Lesson objectives are to understand main points in extended texts on a wide range of familiar and some unfamiliar general and the curricular topics, to deduce meaning from context in extended texts on a wide range of familiar general and the curricular topics and some unfamiliar topics. So, in this module, we are going to talk about organic and non-organic food production, renewable energy sources. We will be able to use pronouns, quantifiers, future perfect continuous, also phrasal verbs do, drop, get. We will learn how to form verbs from nouns or adjectives, also to write a for and against essay. We are going to find out about the organic industry in the UK, also how to be a responsible shopper. So now, before we watch the video, please check these new words.
Compost, compost, fertilizer, fertilizer, GMO, GMO, growth, growth, ingredient, ingredient, livestock, livestock, pest, pest, pesticide, pesticide.
Okay, now let's watch the video.
Organic versus non-organic world. Do you pay attention to where your food comes from? Do you ever buy food from the organic section at the supermarket? Today, we're going to take a look at some of the differences between organic and non-organic food production. In organic food production, biological pesticides such as ladybirds and beetles can help reduce pests in crops. In contrast, non-organic farmers spray chemical pesticides to protect their crops from pests. Biological pesticides are free from harmful chemicals, so you might consider paying a little bit more to know that the food you're eating is safe. Compost is used as fertilizer on organic farms to help crops grow. However, on a non-organic farm, farmers use synthetic fertilizers to increase the growth of plants. On livestock farms, there are major differences too. An organic farmer will use animal feed that is GMO-free and only has organic ingredients. But on a non-organic farm, animals might eat food that contains synthetic substances. Livestock are sometimes given antibiotics to prevent and treat illness, and hormones to make them grow faster on non-organic farms too. The organic farmer has to work hard to make sure livestock have good living conditions in order to prevent disease. Now that you know a little more about the differences between organic and non-organic food production, are you more likely to pay attention to where your food comes from?
Okay, I hope that everything was clear. So now match the two columns. Okay, let's check how many right answers you have. Okay, task number 2. Look at the pictures and decide whether they relate to organic food production or non-organic food production. Okay, here we have the answers. Over to you. Which two things about non-organic food production have the worst effect on our health? Why? Okay, let's see my answer. I think chemical pesticides and antibiotics and hormones have the worst effect on our health because these things can have a very negative effect on the human body and it can cause diseases such as cancer. Okay, you can check yourself. That's all for today. Our lesson is over. Bye bye.